In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the Opera Task Manager quickly and easily. This is a very useful tool because it lets you see exactly what tasks are running inside Opera, and it helps you identify which tabs, extensions, or background processes are using the most memory. That can be a big help if Opera feels slow, laggy, or starts freezing. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is open, look to the top left corner and click the Opera logo. This opens the main Opera menu, where you can access several built-in tools and settings. From that menu, hover over Developer Tools. When you hover over it, you'll see a few options appear, and one of them is Task Manager. Click Task Manager, and Opera will open a window showing all the active tasks currently running in the browser. You can use this to check which tabs, extensions, or browser processes are taking up the most memory or CPU. If something is slowing your browser down, this is the place to find it. There's also a faster way to open it. While you're in Opera, simply press Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. That keyboard shortcut opens the Opera Task Manager instantly without having to go through the menu. Once it's open, take a look through the list of running tasks. You'll be able to see how much memory each one is using, and that makes it much easier to spot anything unusual or resource heavy. If you notice a tab or extension using too much memory, you can close it or troubleshoot it from there. So, whether you use the menu or the keyboard shortcut, accessing the Opera Task Manager only takes a few seconds. It's a simple but powerful tool for keeping your browser running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.